Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous vintage Chanel to show you today. So this is one for all of you vintage Chanel lovers. So this is the triple CC tote. You can see that it's got those three CC stitch logos along the bottom either side. So that is why it's called the triple CC tote. It's got double top handles, and along both sides we've got one nice big flat pocket. So along the back, got a lovely big flat pocket there, and then along the opposite side as well, another lovely big flat pocket along the front of there. We've got a zip top closure, so that is zipped up there. You can see we've got that Chanel leather zip pull on there, and inside we've got one zipped pocket along the back, and then on the opposite side we've got another zipped pocket just here as well. So I'll just get that zipped up for you so you can have a look in there. The condition of this one we have called the exterior good. The reason we've called it good is you can see, perhaps from where it's been stored, it's just got a bit of a bend in it, and so that shape has gone a little bit out of shape there. But as soon as you start using it and you start getting all your bits into it, you can see it will fill it out and it will sort itself out. On the leather there's just a few marks, so we've got a mark along the front there, and you can only really see it at certain lighting. You can see just that mark along there, and there's a couple of small little marks like that. So again, on the back, some really small little scratches and marks on that leather. So that is why we've called the exterior good, because other than that it is in a very nice condition. And the interior we've called very good. I'll get that opened up so you can see in there. Again, there's no particular signs of wear or marks for me to show you in there. It's just, you can tell it's had a previous life. It's a vintage Chanel, so you can tell that it has been used before, but no particular signs on that interior. And again, the hardware we've called very good. It is in a very nice condition. You can see how lovely and shiny that hardware is. There's just really small little signs of wear, so hairline scratches on these loops here on either side. So that is why we've called that hardware very good. This vintage Chanel comes with the Chanel dust bag. So the date code for this one begins 4, so this is a 1996 to 1997 Chanel. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. So if you are interested in it, make sure you click that link. If you do click that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. It's really easy to get onto that request list. All you have to do is send us over an email, or you can fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we will get you on our request list, and as soon as we get in another one, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. You'll be one of the first to know next time. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and I can just pop it really nice and easily. I think I really love it because it is in this gorgeous caviar leather, and so it's got quite a sturdy structure to it, and with those lovely comfortable top handles, you just want to use this all the time. You'd be reaching for it every day. So if you are interested in it, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website. We're getting in more gorgeous Armcandy every day. So sign up to that newsletter to keep yourself updated on everything that we're getting in. And we'll also send you through your welcome discount code, so don't miss out on that discount. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on our website. If you're interested in selling any of your bags, all the details you need to know are on that page, so have a read through there. And like this video while you're here. Don't forget to subscribe as well, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.